Hi guys, today I'm here at our chickens and guinea fowl and the pigs. If I'm done here, I'm going to the guinea pigs and the mother donkey and the baby. So today's video is feeding. We do this every day, so I will take you guys with me. Hey chickens! There's eggs! What about in here? There's nothing. There's eggs in, and there's nothing. Now we're going to the guinea fowl. And these are not wild guinea fowls. These guinea fowls are the ones that you can keep. The wild guinea fowls don't have yellow legs. The wild guinea fowls have black legs and not yellow legs. Okay, let's quickly come in here to see if there's eggs. So you can see there's one egg, there's an egg, and there aren't eggs in, so there's an egg, so something was here, I don't know, and there's no eggs in. Okay, so there's 3 eggs by the guinea fowl. So there's 1 female, and then the rest is males that we saw. Now I'm going to the other chickens. Here's the other chickens. Hey chickens! Okay guys, now that I'm done here with the chickens, I'm going to the pigs. So now I'm going to leave the chicken feed here and then take the pig feed and go to the pigs. This mama right here is going to have babies, don't know when. And then that small one there, also going to have babies, don't know when. We are waiting for them to have the babies. There's their feed. Okay guys, so now I'm done here. Sorry, I have a bit of cold, but yeah. So here behind of me is my next project going to be. It is going to be a kraal for donkeys and a chute that I can chase the donkeys in to handle them and take care of them. So yeah, that's my next big project. Yeah, I'm maybe going to do it in December if I'm done with exams. So yeah, now we are going to the guinea pigs and the mother donkey and the baby. So yeah. Oh guys, and one more thing before I go here. We did put a trap out for mongoose. Because they're coming to eat our eggs and the future babies here from the chickens and muscovies. So I'm just going to show you guys where I last seen the mongoose eating an egg and the trap that I did put out for the mongoose. So there we can see a dop from a chicken egg or other kind of egg. There is where I last seen the mongoose. And here's our trap. The mongoose wasn't here yet. So yeah. But yeah guys, now I'm going to the guinea pigs and the mother donkey and the baby. So guys, now I'm here at the guinea pigs and the donkeys. The mother donkey and the baby is doing good. Okay, let I feed them some spinach, the mother donkey some spinach quickly, and then feed the guinea pigs. And I see I have baby guinea pigs and my guinea pigs. So yeah, we'll see. Later I start feeding here. Good. Okay, there you go. There is her feeding done. Hey. Hey, Babiki. Hey, Babiki. Hey, waggies. And it's just not in this camp where she can go. We have opened here that she can go through here to this other green stuff, but she can also go into this area here. They just put this right here. So you can also go to this area and into this room to get away from the rain. So let's start feeding the guinea pigs. Hey, hey, julle. Hey, julle. Ek weet nie, ouma. Ja, ouma. So now I'm here at my guinea pigs. They just close this gate here. Okay, let me quickly see if here's babies. Okay, not in this one here anymore. Not in this one here. Oh, look there, guys. It's one baby. One baby that I have here.
What?
There's the baby, guys.